In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Booking.com Extranet account. Whether you're a new partner or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can access your account without any hassle. To get started, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you frequently use and are comfortable with. Once it's open, type admin.booking.com into the address bar at the top of your browser window. This URL is specifically designed for Booking.com partners and will take you directly to the Extranet login page. Take a moment to make sure that the URL is entered correctly, as any small errors could take you to the wrong page. Double-checking here can save you time and prevent any unnecessary frustration. Once you've reached the login page, you'll need to input your login credentials. This includes your username, which might be your email or a unique username, and your password. If these details don't seem familiar, remember that they were provided to you when you registered as a partner. Carefully enter your username in the appropriate field. It's crucial to ensure that you've typed it correctly, especially if it includes special characters, capital letters, or numbers. Mistakes in this step can lead to login errors, so take your time. Next, move on to the password field. Enter your password with the same level of attention to detail. Passwords are case-sensitive, so make sure you're using the right combination of upper and lower case letters. If you're finding it challenging to remember your password, consider using a trusted password manager service to keep track of your credentials securely. After you've entered your username and password, look for the Login button on the page. It typically says Login or Sign In, and is usually located just below the fields where you entered your credentials. Click this button to proceed. If everything has been entered correctly, you'll be guided into your Booking.com partner dashboard. However, if you encounter any issues logging in, don't worry. It's quite common to forget login details from time to time. In such a case, you can make use of the Forgot Password link typically located near the Login button. Follow the prompts to reset your password and regain access to your account. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into your Booking.com Extranet account. This straightforward process allows you to manage your listings, view bookings, and update account details all in one place. Familiarizing yourself with the login procedure is a vital aspect of effectively managing your partnership with Booking.com. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tutorials and tips.